Machine translation. Let's take a look at how to use the built-in machine translation tools in Wordbee. The machine translation tools are located under the MT tab on the Translation Finder widget. Opening the tab will display the machine translation results for the activated segment. Initially, only the machine translations used in the past will be displayed. Any changes you make to the suggestions are only saved in your local memory. To see an expanded list of historical machine translations, just hide the other active widgets by clicking on it. This will let you access a full list of suggestions to work with. Like the other Translation Finder tools, machine translation can be used in any available language combination. There are a number of different machine translation engines that can be enabled. Common engines include Google, Microsoft, DeepL, and Reverso. Which ones are available to you fully depends on your platform administrator. If you want to use a different engine, contact your admin to see if it can be enabled. Each machine-translated segment will list the engine it was created by next to the MT symbol. You can thus compare the quality that each engine delivers. In the top result, Reverso did not actually create a translation. This tells you that Reverso has not been enabled by the system admin. You can easily generate your own machine translations without having to leave the editor interface. Begin by selecting the language pairs and desired translation engine, then input your text into the search field and click on the arrow. Within seconds, the selected engine will generate a result. Now you can decide to either use the generated text as is, or you can click the Edit button to revise the translation. The segment will then open and you can edit and add to the text as you see fit. Click Save to keep your changes available on your local memory. The results are then annotated with your supplier name. That way you know right away that you've already touched this segment. If you're happy with the result, the final step is to add the edited translation to the memory resource. Click on the Add to Memory plus sign and select which memory resource you would like to add this translation to. Depending on your account rights, you may not have access to all the memory resources listed. Clicking on Next will allow you to review the translation one more time before it is added to the resource. If you approve, just click Save and Close. For software localization or workflow testing, there is also a pseudo-translation option. This algorithm can be enabled to populate segments while you're in the testing phases of your project or workflow. This means that you can work with suitable texts while avoiding using potentially expensive translators.